Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make a Carnival shooting game using Scratch. So first, I'll make the things you have to shoot. I'll scale down the scratch cut. Back. And now I want the scratch cards to appear in different places. So one flag clicked forever. Go to X minus 197. Pick random 1 to 10. Now, I don't want this to be pick random 1 to 10. I'm going to multiply this by 50. Now I can see all the different places appearing in. Negative 9 to 9 times 50. Let's see. Negative 7 to 7. Negative 5 to 5. Negative 3 to 3. There we go. Now you have the scratch cards appearing in different positions every time. Now I also want to do the same thing for the Y. So I'll set the Y to pick random negative 3 to 3 times 50. Now it's appearing in many different places. Now the reason why I set it like this is because I want to limit the number of places where the scratch cards can appear. And now let me create a clone of myself. Forever create a clone of myself. Wait like 1 second. Create clone. Wait like 0.1 seconds. Create clone of myself. Then go to this random position. Then create clone of myself. Now check all the possible positions the scratch cards can be in. Anyway, just showing all the possible positions the scratch cards can be in. Anyways. And now I will hide this because I don't want the original sprite to show. And flag clicked. When it starts as a clone, show. So now clones are just appearing in random places. And now I want to make sprites for when the clone is shot. Like when the clone is shot, I'm going to do this. And now make another sprite. When you shoot, I want there to be a sprite that shows that's like the shot. So I make the sprite to be orange. Make this red. Now reverse the colors. Copy paste. And now when flag clicked forever, if it clicks about anywhere, as long when the mouse is clicked, I wanted to move to the mouse pointer, to go to the mouse pointer, and create a clone of itself. Of course, I'm going to make this to hide. When you create a clone of itself, it's going to show when I start as a clone, then show. Now it will repeat. Now to repeat 2, it will start from costume 1, then it will switch to the next costume, then it will delete itself. And now I'll make a new sprite, I'll make a new variable called bullet time. So for each one it sets puts. Oops, this was now I'll make a new variable called click. Set click to 0. Change click by 1. If the mouse is down, it will set click to 1. So now I want to only be able to press the mouse when the click is 0. Now I can only click once, which is obviously not what I want. Set click to 1, and then if then not mouse down, set click to 0. Let me just make this bigger. I'm also going to make this to be smaller. I'll set size to like 40%. Now I've successfully made a shooting thing that allows to shoot. Well, let's start as the clone. Instead of showing, I also set the costume to costume 1. This is repeat until touching this sprite, this, and then won't really do anything. Now if it's touching this, then what will it do? You also add, go to front layer. If it's touching this, it's meant to go to back layer. Now if it's touching this, then what will it do? Oops. If then touching sprite 2 forever. If this touching sprite 2, then switch to the next costume. Try to repeat 5. Next costume, and then delete this clone. Repeat until touching sprite 2. If it does not try to repeat 5, next costume, delete this clone. Let's repeat 4, next costume. Now it works successfully. Now I can shoot the scratch cuts. Now I'm going to make this be faster, like 0.3 seconds. And now I have to make a score variable. Score. Set score to 0. And then when this happens, it will change score by 1. Now, I'll make a background for it. I'll go here to backdrops. Maybe I could choose a backdrop. I guess I'm going to make my own backdrop. And make this here. I'll make this to be wood, like wood. Now add these things to the sides. Copy paste. And now I'll add these boards. Let me change to go to front layer. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.